We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive analysis of the CERETIA Stuffed Animal Hammock with LED light, a 2-pack toy storage solution designed for kids' rooms. This product is a corner-hanging hammock made from polyester and hand-woven cotton rope, featuring wooden rings and tassels for a boho chic look. It includes 2 hammocks, 2 78-inch LED light strings, 6 anchors, and 6 screws, making installation straightforward without needing additional accessories. The hammock measures 59 by 40 by 0.99 inches and can hold up to 15 kilograms, accommodating about 20 medium-sized stuffed animals. Users consistently praise the spaciousness of the hammock, noting it holds a surprisingly large number of stuffed animals, pillows, and even small blankets. The design is appreciated for its ability to free up floor space and keep children's rooms neat and organized. The purple color option is described as vibrant and adds a decorative touch that complements various room styles, especially those favoring a boho aesthetic. The handmade macrame construction with tassels is not only visually appealing but also sturdy and durable enough to support a heavy load of plush toys. Installation is reported to be simple and quick with all necessary hardware included. The hammock's corner design allows it to fit snugly against walls, optimizing space use in small or cluttered rooms. Many users highlight how the material stretches across the corner securely and maintains stability, even when heavily loaded. The cotton rope and wooden rings contribute to the hammock's strength and longevity, with several reviewers noting that it remains stable and intact despite daily use and the weight of numerous stuffed animals. The inclusion of LED light strings is a distinctive feature that adds both functionality and ambience. The lights provide a soft, reassuring glow at night, creating a cozy and magical atmosphere for children. This feature is especially valued by parents who want a nightlight effect combined with storage. However, some users have experienced issues with the LED lights, reporting that the lights stopped working within a month despite battery replacements and troubleshooting efforts. This durability concern with the LED component is the primary downside mentioned in reviews. Despite the LED light issues, the hammock itself is highly regarded for its quality and usefulness. The polyester fabric is soft yet strong, true to color, and easy to clean. The product is versatile enough to hold not only stuffed animals, but also other soft items like pillows and blankets, making it a multifunctional storage solution. The size is generally adequate, though a few users wished for a larger version to accommodate even more toys. Some have opted to purchase multiple hammocks to increase storage capacity. Overall, the CERETIA Stuffed Animal Hammock with LED light stands out as a stylish, practical, and space-saving organizer for children's rooms. It combines aesthetic appeal with solid construction and functional design. The hammock helps reduce clutter, making rooms safer and more pleasant for kids. The boho style with tassels and wooden accents enhances room decor, while the LED lights add a comforting nighttime feature. We recommend this product for parents or caregivers looking for an effective way to manage stuffed animals and soft toys. It is especially suitable for those who appreciate handmade, decorative storage solutions that also serve as room accents. Potential buyers should be aware of the LED light's possible durability issues, but can expect a reliable and sturdy hammock overall. We encourage anyone who owns this product to leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports our channel. This stuffed animal hammock is a smart choice for keeping kids' play areas tidy while adding a charming touch to the room.